I like my ad-libs to be like distinct, plush, wet. Ooh, pause. Nice. You dig what I'm saying? I like it to be like ear candy. That don't sound no ear candy, bro. Yo! Man, I'ma probably clip the jump. Hold on. Hey, what's your problem, man? It's your boy, yo. I wanna deeply apologize. You dig what I'm saying? Apologize for not being active on this John. You know, too much been going on, man. But hey, Black Mamba year, man. It's 2024, Kobe year. You know what I mean? Gotta go get it. Well, today I got a Ride Wave remix over here, and we're gonna try to mix it with one of his engineers' preset to see how it comes out. You dig what I'm saying? I gotta activate my microphone. My microphone is a what you call that? Emulation microphone. So where we at? Where we at with the microphone? Alright, I got my C8 going. Let's see.
No life drips apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars. Free all on my dog that's still hanging behind bars. Hey, I get sad sometimes, but I never know life drips apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars. Free all on my dog that's still hanging behind bars.
Alright, cool it, cool it. We got the mic activated. Alright, here go his people chart, you know what I mean? His little template thing. A little preset. So he start with the de-esser. Right now I got it on monitor. We gonna hear what is de-essing. You know what I mean? I ain't touching none of his thing. I ain't touching it. You see what he doing? It cutting the S's and the T's out. I don't know how the hell this thing work. This must be AI, cause they got no frequency. It is gotta be AI. We go from there to a damn, what the hell is compressor? Auto, electro worm, and that's a fast attack. I ain't gonna lie, that's a fast attack. It's a fast. A little medium release. Well, let's see.
No life drips apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars. Free all on my dog that's still hanging behind bars.
What be wrong with these presets, right? Y'all wanna know what be wrong with these presets? The people don't tell you at what level they recorded it. They don't tell you. So if I'm basically going strictly off his settings, I'm getting 5 dBs of reduction right off bike. 5 dB. We got 5 dBs right off bike. So I don't know, because while reading the thing, he said he just touching it. 5 dB to me is not touching it. So at what level is he recording at? Right? I'm gonna drop my volume because -18 is where I normally record at, but with this mic, they want you to hit -12 to get the emulation working. I'm like, bro.
No life drips apart.
We got -18 because that's the normality. You know what I'm saying? So now let's see how they work, because it was at what, -5 on a touch.
No life drips apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars. Free all on my dog that's still hanging behind bars.
Alright, now we got the formality, alright? This is basically me thinking he's recording at -18 because they didn't tell us what level he recording at. That's why I be telling you about these presets. You know, you can't just get it and just drop your vocals in there thinking you iced out. It don't work like that. You know what I mean? They gotta tell people. From there, we going to the EQ. He said he boosted 2K. This 2K right here, this jump. Let's see what it sounds like. That's nice. I normally cut mine at like 1,500, you know, but that's cool. Let's see what it sounds like at 1,500 though. Yeah, see that? I don't. But hey, Ride Wave voice, he must not like this. And then he boosts the 2K. Let's see what the 2K sound like. 2K is like giving that presence. You know what I'm saying? See, me, I wouldn't boost that 2K. That's just me, personally. But when it's on a wide range like that, it sound good. It sound good.
No life drips apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars.
See how it give it a little presence. It give it a little presence. These the presets from the hotel room. You know what I mean? This when they record at the hotel room. From there, he going to another de-esser. Let's see.
No life drifts apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars. Free all on my door that's still hanging behind bars.
So the de-esser not being touched, which tells me, right? You ready for this? They record at a higher level. It can't be no negative 18. It can't be. So let's move this jump bike up, which means the compressor's gotta be hitting way more than that one.
No life drifts apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars. Free all.
I'm not a magician or astronomist, nigga, but I ain't dumb either. You know, you smell it. Yeah.
No life drifts apart. Times getting hard. I'm still.
See, now it's active. So it mean they recording at a higher, you know what I mean? That's what I'm saying. They gotta start telling y'all what level they recording at before they make these presets, or else. See, if I was like, hey, negative 18, it's not really hitting how they had the thing set up. I might be yapping on too much, but I just want to embed it in your mentals. You dig what I'm saying? You don't want to walk around dummy, you know? You got to walk in that room, big macho. You know what I'm talking about. You gotta walk in like, you know what I'm talking about. But now, here comes the main big part, the leveler. This is compression, but at the same time, this the leveler. This was gonna level it to the beat, right?
No life drifts apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars. Free all on my door that's still hanging behind bars.
So that's cool. So we did what? We probably doing 5, 5 here, and then we're doing close to 10 here. That's kind of a lot of compression, if you ask me. But yeah, well, I don't know.
No life drifts apart. Times getting hard. I'm still healing from these scars. Free all on my door that's still hanging behind bars.
Hey, all right, better. I ain't gonna lie, that's heavy. That's heavy on the compression, but like it don't sound too bad because you know the LA2As, man, they natural, they smooth. We hop on a reverb. So let's see what he do. He inserted right on the lead vocal channel, which is against the rule. But there's no rule though. There's rules, but there's no rules. I'm gonna tell you something. I don't like to put it on the main channel, but it sounds so good on the main channel. It be tweaking me out. Like, bro, it sounds so good on the main channel, but then when you trying to do a send and replicate that sound, it's so hard. It's so hard. I don't understand why.
No life drifts apart.
Jesus Christ. Said 50%.
No life drifts apart. Times getting hard.
That's a lot, bro. I ain't gonna lie. What, he say sweep. How the hell you gonna sweep with the jump? I don't even know how to sweep with the jump. I don't know what he's sweeping with. If somebody know what he's sweeping with, hey, let me know about the sweep. I don't know no sweep.
No life drifts apart. No life drifts apart. Times getting hard. Still.
I don't think that's it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We just following what they got, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It don't make sense right here. Did I read something wrong? Cause I'm not. My bad. I gotta activate my autos, man. My autos ain't on. Sound like a wolf in this joint right now.
Hey, I get sad sometimes, but I never know life drifts apart.
Somebody hiding the sauce. That do not sound nothing like. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all playing with somebody. Y'all playing with somebody. You ain't playing with me. Y'all playing with somebody. Alright?
I get sad sometimes, but I never know life drifts apart. Times getting hard, I'm still healing from these scars. Free all on my door that's still hanging behind bars. Hey.
They're playing with somebody. They're not playing with me. That reverb they put on there, somebody got to clarify because I don't understand what it's doing. It's too bright. It's too bright. I don't even look.
No life drifts apart. Times getting hard, I'm still healing from these scars.
It don't make sense what this ad-lib doing either. Cause, hey, listen, man. Listen, I like my ad-libs to be like distinct, plush, wet. Ooh, pause. Nice. You dig what I'm saying? I like it to be like ear candy. That don't sound no ear candy, bro. But let's try this reverb again, right? But this time I'm try to. I don't even know, bro. I'm gonna move this so it's not too bright.
Hoes that making up they mind. Call these niggas hoes that fix the list, go straight to the line.
Is that the U shape? If that's the U shape, it makes sense. Cause you see this jump, it's like, okay, let's reset. Alright. This jump, I think he was trying to get negative 24, you know? He was trying to get negative 24, right? And now they're starting to piss me off. I'm trying to understand what the hell going on. He said U shape, right? I'll take my word for it. U shape, high and low pass filter. High, low. There's no U if you just moving this guy. So, damn man, fucking with my light. If you move this down to negative 24, just like this guy, now we have U shape. Yeah, this. Nobody reverb doing that. Come on, bro. Y'all, somebody playing with the sauce. Somebody capping on y'all with the sauce. But here my diagnose, right? Now we have U shape. The U shape he talking about, right? There's no clarification. So max this out. Select both of them Johns. And now let's
no life drips fall. Times getting hard, I'm still healing from these scars. Frown on my dog that's still hanging behind bars.
if that's what he's talking about, it's cool. But I still don't like that reverb. I swear to God, I don't. It don't sound nice to me at all. The Valhalla sound way better. Way better. That's what I be trying to clarify with these presets, bro. Somebody capping. Whatever he talking about, the U-shape, all that, you gotta show me. You gotta show me, because it don't make sense. But man, that's the beef for the day, man. That's the beef, cuz. Me versus presets. Don't make sense. Man, I'll see y'all next week, man.